Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Lexus key using an easy, manual method. This process can save you valuable time and money, allowing you to add a new key yourself without a trip to the dealership. You'll need your existing, working key and the new, unprogrammed key. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle for the programming sequence, ensuring everything is ready. First, gather all your keys. You'll need your currently working key and the new key you wish to program. Make sure the driver's door is open, but all other doors, including the trunk, are securely closed. Sit in the driver's seat, ensuring no keys are in the ignition at this point. This setup is crucial for initiating the programming mode correctly. Now, let's begin the sequence. Insert your working key into the ignition and remove it 5 times within 35 seconds. Immediately after, open and close the driver's door 6 times, also within 35 seconds, ending with the door closed. This specific timing is important to activate the car's programming mode. Listen for a chime or observe the immobilizer light for confirmation. With the programming mode active, insert your new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then immediately to OFF. Remove the new key. The immobilizer light should stop blinking, indicating successful programming. Test the new key's lock, unlock, and engine start functions. If you have more keys, repeat the process for each one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.